What's going on everybody, my name is Rico, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my channel is about vlogs, series and tutorials. And in this episode I'm going to teach you guys how I did the green screen video 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago I posted a video about green screen techniques. I made myself invisible. I used my hands while flying or pretending to be flying in a helicopter, and the same goes for my feet. And then Otto Ome, which is a subscriber of mine, he gave the following comment. He said, very well done, nice ideas for a green screen. That's material for 2 videos. So I asked him, what do you mean? Then he said, well, a tutorial in Adobe Premiere, because that's the program that I'm using. With the flying hands, the invisible blanket, and doing the finger thing, like pouring water with your finger into the glass, which wasn't a green screen one, by the way. I mixed that up. It was just a magic trick that I wanted to do for you guys. Basically 3 videos. For you it might be easy, but I bet a lot of viewers want to know how you did that. So I'm going to do that right now. Let's go to my computer and let me show you. For the sequence we've got 4 different elements. The first one is the drone clip that I shot in Norway. The second one is the clip of me dangling my feet above the green screen and with the audio underneath it. This is fantastic! Woo! And the final clip is a helicopter sound that I've added because I wanted to give some dramatic effect to this. So right now what we need to do is we need to use this clip of me dangling my feet above the green screen, and we are going to place it above the drone clip. And now what you see is my feet above the green screen. The drone clip is completely gone, but we'll bring it back by removing all the green in this image. And we're going to do that by going to the effects menu, and we are going to look for the Ultra key. And we're going to place the Ultra key on the top clip. That's very important. And now as you can see, the Ultra key has been added to the clip, and we need to use this color picker to select the green in this image. And now it's gone. We still see the ripples, so you can get rid of those by going to the setting and then choose for aggressive. There you go, that has cleaned it right up. And now if we play back the clip, you see that my feet are above it. I want to reverse the drone clip because I think that looks a little bit better. So let's do that. And now the clip is in reverse. It's a little bit laggy, but that's because we've got 2 4K clips above one another. And I want to scale the image because my feet are a little bit too big in comparison to the background. So let's go to the first frame. And we are going to place some keyframes. And I want to decrease it by... well, let's try 50, and let's drop this down, and let's move it a little bit to the side, maybe increase it just a little bit. There we go. There we go. This looks perfectly fine. Gotta make sure that everything stays in the image. There we go. And now let's play back the clip, see what happens. There you go. And now we are going to add the helicopter sound. I'm going to show you guys how I got this sound in a minute. So the helicopter sound is a little bit too loud, so I'm going to drop it by 10 decibels, and I want to drop down my speech by 5 decibels as well. Let's see how that turns out. And as you can hear, the audio is a little bit distorted because I really wanted to make it sound like I was actually in a helicopter. I did that using Audacity. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that in this tutorial because it would just take too long. If you guys want to know how I did it, leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can make a tutorial out of it. That was it for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys now know how to do a green screen effect using the Ultra key. I guess there's just one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button, consider subscribing if you haven't already, hit that bell button to be the first to be notified when I drop a new video, and until next time, doei!